soon said I proudly around. Oh, but I was so much older then, I'm younger than that now. After that prejudice leaves forth, look down all hate I scream. Lies that life is black and white, spread from my stellar dream. Romantic flex of musketeer, foundation deep and high. But I was so much older then, I'm younger than that now.
Shuffle in A, because there ain't no more rock and shuffling guys than Bill Monroe and Hank Williams Sr.
You got it.
And they wrote this song.
All right.
Should I wait for Albert? I'll be happy to.
Oh, yeah. I can catch up.
I don't mind waiting for you, Albert.
Okay.
Cube. Just vamping a 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3. We're on some side of a train going by. Makes me wanna stop and cry. I recall the day till you away. I'm blue, I'm lonesome too. Well, when I hear that whistle blow, I wanna pack
folks, you're listening and watching Carmine's Country Corner. We started doing this about a year ago when the virus thing was really bad and everybody was at home and scared to get out of their houses. Well, we got out and we set up this little backdrop over at my upholstery shop, and we started doing these little shows, and it just evolved into this, and people seem to be enjoying them, so we're still doing them. It's certainly not for the money, let's put it that way. Anyway, we love to play, a bunch of old guys up there having fun, and we're so lucky and honored to have Ron Coleman and Albert. They go way back together. This is a Sundance Saloon, and I remember that place. I never did jam with you guys there, but I used to come in and watch you play. And Garland Frady, I think, used to hang out there with you guys, didn't you, all the time? Love Garland. So anyway, these are all of my heroes, surrounded by.
Harrison Ford hung out there.
Yeah, he did, you know, that son of a gun. He owes me money. Yeah. Anyway.
Does he?
Yeah. But, so we're happy to be here. We're coming from Bob Smith Toyota in La Crescenta. They're a good family. They got a good, clean business. If you need anything, go see them. They sell beautiful cars. Okay, who's up now? Is it Lynn? Lynn Coulter, you're on the spot.
Oh, you want me to do one? Is it?
No, Lynn, forget it. I don't want you to do one.
All right, we'll do that.
Yeah, I want you to do it. Let's
As you
do
can
it.
see, Bamboo.
Okay,
And after the solos, it might be a little breakdown thing.
Sure.
You know, like halftime.
Okay, bud.
1, 2, 1, see. Well, I see the bad moon rising. I see trouble on the way. I see earthquakes arising. I see bad times today. Well, don't go around tonight, for it's bound to take your life. There's a bad moon on the rise. Well, I hear hurricanes are blowing. I know the end is coming soon. I fear rivers overflowing. I hear there's a raging wind. Well, don't go around tonight, for it's bound to take your life. There's a bad moon on the rise. I hope you have got your things together. I hope you are quite prepared to die. Help me out over there. Looks like we're in for nasty weather. An eye is taken for an eye. Don't go around tonight, for it's bound to take your life. There's a bad moon on the rise. Well, don't go around tonight, for it's bound to take your life. There's a bad moon on the rise. I say there's a bad was an ending. That was an ending.
Yes, sir, Bob.
That was ending.
Helmet, you feel like singing?
Hey, hey, hey.
No?
Oh, come on.
Kerry Caruso, get ready. You're going to be up after this song, so come up and do one with us. He's going to do one, then you're getting up.
So this, Albert and I played with the Everly Brothers at different times. And so we're going to do an Everly Brothers song for you, okay? I bless the day I found you. I want to stay around you. And so I beg you, let it be me. Don't take this hand from one. If you must cling to someone now and forever, let it be me. Each time we made love, I found complete love. Without your sweet love, what would life be? So never leave me lonely. Tell me you love me only, and that you'll always let it be. Each time we meet love, I find complete love. Without your sweet love, what would life be? So never leave me lonely. Tell me you love me only, and that you love me. Let it be me. And that you love me. Let it be me. Pick another one, Albert. the day I found you. I want to stay around you, and so I beg you, let it be me. And so I beg you, here we go. Let it be me. That was close. What happened?
Who's that? Paul?
Sure.
Carrie.
What's up?
I thought you said Carrie.
Oh, Carrie, come on up. I lost train of what I lost my mind for a minute there. Come on up. Use this mic or that one, the one you want. Ladies and gentlemen, Carrie Caruso. I've been playing with her for about 11, 12 years in a band called Carrie Caruso and the Black Rose Band. And Ethan, Jimmy Ethan is our steel player in that band, which happens to be her husband. Okay, that's enough information.
Okay, so we're gonna do It's Not Easy Anymore. You wanna do that? A. It's got a trick in it.
What's the trick?
It's got the V. It's got the V in it, but you can't follow me because I'm not playing. Okay, here we go.
A 1, 2, 3, 4.
It's not easy anymore because I love you. It's not easy anymore because it's true. It was easier before, but it's not easy anymore. I didn't mean to fall in love with you. It was easy when I hardly knew your name. It was easy till the glow turned in
much time we got left?
100 hours.
I think you could go a little over if you guys want.
Go a little over if we want to?
Yeah, if you want.
Okay.
Even at that, you're a good 23 minutes.
Oh, great, we got plenty of time.
Plus more.
So who was up next between you and,
I'll do something.
Oh, yeah.
Paul?
Let's do Big Big Love, Kissy. Kind of a Cajun-y. Kia C. And we'll go around the progression, which is just ones and fives. One, two, one, two. Can't you tell my love's a growing? Can't you feel it? Ain't it showing? Now girl, you must be a knowing. I got a big, big love. Not the kind of big concealing, just the kind of big revealing. It's not a little bitty feeling. I got a big, big love. I think it's time we done some walking. I think it's time we done some talking. Well, there's a great big love. We got a big, big love. This is not to get you upset. It's a true love sensation, not my imagination. I got a big, big love for you. Can't you tell my love's a growing? Can't you feel it? Ain't it showing? Well, you must be a knowing. I got a big, big love. Not the kind of big concealer, just the kind of beauty. It's not a little bitty feeling. I got a big, big love. I think it's time we did some walking. I think it's time we did some talking. Well, there's a great big some walking. I think it's time we done some talking. Well, there's a great big moon above. We got a big, big love. This is not infatuation. It's a true love sensation. Not my imagination. I got a big, big love. Albert, come on.
Well, folks, I hope it's sounding okay out there. You know, we do a little mix between 5 and 6. We all get together and play. We think, oh, that should do it. So, you know, you don't really know till it's over. But we're having a great time. Ronnie, thank you so much for coming up. We get ready to do another one. We're going to do more here, but I want to thank you again for... and
Thank you
Albert.
for having me, man. I
Well,
do
and
appreciate
of
it.
course, Albert, you know, I think every time I call him, he shows up, and I think it's great because I got to pay him $1,000, but that's okay.
Yeah. Give him a new car.
Right, yeah, you know. Anyway, we're having fun up here. I hope you're having fun out there. Kerry Caruso, thank you for coming and joining us tonight. We appreciate that. So I want to say hi to Don McGinnis, and who else? Give me some names, Susie. Shout out. Heather, of course, Heather in Colorado. Ronnie and Vicky and Vicky and Ron in Louisiana. Of course, James and Albert. We got to say hi to James Burton, of course. Talk to him all the time. He's doing great. In fact, I'm going to go see him in August. A couple of months. Sue and I go out there. Oh, God, it'd be great if you guys came. It was so much fun. Anyway, I'm going to stop talking. Ronnie, what do you got?
Well, just a second.
Today I start loving you again. Hi, John Beelan. We love you.
Did I do one of them?
Sure.
Okay.
Do we know it?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, you don't, but you'll learn. You'll know by the time I'm done. You'll know by the time I'm done. Okay. So this is okay. It's a new song. It's called Rainbow. Okay. So it's in B flat.
B flat. Good.
So we're gonna start in D minor, A minor, G minor, and then we're gonna come around to E flat. Okay. So it's D minor, A minor, G minor, to no, you can do this to E flat. You watch this. Okay. Hold on, guys. Keep it down. Keep it down. Keep it down. Some say he don't look all that bad. Oh, the shape he's in. She don't look all that sad. Like everybody knows she's been. He could write a brand new song. Lay it on the line. You know it ain't been all that long since he seen his baby cry. D minor, A minor. He could fall to pieces in the blink of an eye at the mention of her name. Now he can paint a rainbow with the tears in his eyes. Even the best days he gave were never good enough for her. He'd have given her the air he breathed if he only could. Just a little smile, a little tenderness, it's all he'd ever need. He can paint a rainbow with the tears in his eyes. He can fall to pieces in a blink of an eye at the mention of her name. Now he can paint a rainbow with a tear in his eye. He can paint a rainbow with the tears in his eye. Oh, thank you.
I love that song, Ron.
That's a good
Thank you very
song.
much, man. Paul, coming from
Yeah, man. I call Paul the anchor in the band. I lean on him so much. He keeps the boats from. You keep the boat from going into the rocks a lot of times, Paul. I got to tell you. What do you got? Who would sing what, Angelina? Oh, I know it.
I even know what you're gonna do in the solo. I think. Because I messed it up enough times, I think I know.
Just say, Trina.
Okay.
Oh,
Good
yeah.
luck, Stu. Good luck, Stu.
And I dream in the morning that she brings me water. Dream in the evening she brings me wine. Just a poor man's daughter, poor de Penasco, south of the border, oh, in Mexico. It's a great hard desert, south of Mexicali. Don't have the water, you better not go. Tequila won't get you across that desert to Evangelina, old Mexico. Fire I feel for the woman I love is driving me insane, knowing she's waiting. I can't get there. God only knows I rack my brain to try to find a way to reach that woman, old Mexico. I met a kind man, seems he guarded the border,
said you don't need those papers, so I let you go. 'Cause I can tell that you love her. Look in your eyeball, hills of the desert, old Mexico. The fire I feel for the woman I love is driving me insane, knowing she's waiting. I can't get there. God only knows I rack my brain to try to find a way to reach that woman. Old Mexico. And I dream in the morning that she brings me water. Dream in the evening she brings me wine. Just a poor man's daughter, born in Peñasco, south of the border, old Mexico. Evangelina, I need you so. Well, thank you. I'll talk to you later.
Thank you, Albert. I'll tell you, when Karen says, Albert, if you do this, he just does it. You know, happy wife, happy life, all that stuff. Smart man. Who's up next? No, I want you to do, no, I'm going to pull that here. You're going to do, Tom, I got 2 minutes.
Okay.
Let's do it. Do it on a little, what kind of lag is it? No, I mean, I'm not saying no lag, but you don't want to bring the music up. Okay, what key?
I gotta get the lyrics. I haven't sang this since COVID hit.
Want me to tell them that?
I'm ready.
What key?
I was in, it's in E.
E.
Yeah, remember this? And we got a future to steal on this at some point. 1, 2, 1, 2.
If you love somebody enough, you follow wherever they go. That's how I got to Memphis. That's how I got to Memphis. And if you love somebody enough, you'll go where your heart needs to go. That's how I got to Memphis. That's how I got to Memphis. Well, I know if you've seen her, you tell me, 'cause you are my friend. I've got to find her, find out the trouble she's in. And if you tell me she isn't here, well, I'll follow the tracks of her tears. That's how I got to Memphis. That's how I got to Memphis. say she'd go back to Memphis someday. That's how I got to Memphis. That's how I got to Memphis. If you love somebody enough, well, you go where your heart needs to go. That's how I got to Memphis. That's how I got to Memphis. Well, I've got to find her and tell her that I love her so. I'll never rest till I find out why she had to go. Thank you for your precious time. Forgive me if I start to cry. That's how I got to Memphis. That's how I got to Memphis. That's how I got to Memphis. Yeah, that's how I got to Memphis. That's how I got to Memphis. That's how I got to Memphis. Have you seen her? Tell me, have you seen her?
Hey! I want that in. Tell me if you've seen it.
That's a brand new radio.
Who's that? Ronnie, you know.
Did we do Whiter Shade? We didn't do it.
Do what?
I don't think we did it, did we?
Did
We
what?
didn't do Whiter Shade of Pale, did we?
No, we didn't.
We didn't.
Why they shade pale? You know the song.
Oh, man.
Just tell me what key we're in. Hey, folks, we're coming to you from Bob Smith Toyota up here in Foothill Boulevard in Lockwood Center. Want to thank you all for watching the show. Tell a friend. I hope it sounded good out there. We're having a lot of fun tonight. And Ronnie and Albert and I, and of course Paul and all these guys, Jimmy, all go back at least 50 years. And I don't know how far back Lynn goes, but it's a long time. Yeah, you were there.
Way back.
So we're still playing music and we're having fun and we love it. And we want to thank you all for watching and enjoying the show with us, I hope. Okay, what do we got?
Whiter Shade of Pale. Hey. Skip the love fandango, turn cartwheels across the floor. I was feeling kind of seasick. The crowd yelled out for more. The room was spinning harder as the ceiling flew away. face at first just ghostly. Turn to white, shade of pale. She said there was no reason, and the truth is plain as here. As I wandered through my playing card, this could not let her be. 16 best of virgin, right back for the cold. No man would walk over in my just as well been close. And so it goes. And later, as the miller told his tale, that her face at first just ghostly. Shade veil, turn me wider, shade of veil. Good old country song right there for you.
You know, I'm trying to remember some of this stuff you're doing, and
Yeah.
it's not coming back as quick as I'd like it to.
No, I know the feeling.
Oh, what do you got?
Yeah, let's do Victim of Life Circumstances like we did last week in F. This is a Delbert McClinton song, and it starts with a 1-4-5-1, and every section ends like that with a 1-4-5-1. The rest of it's very simple.
What's the feel? What's the
Key
feel?
of F.
What's the feel?
Oh, straight eights.
Oh, great.
Kind of an up tempo eights.
All right.
If you want to train it, that's fine too.
I'm gonna go with eights.
A 1, 2, a 1, 2. Well, 6:05 a.m. on Sunday morning, I was supposed to leave for Memphis late last night. I stopped in one of them old highway places, and because I did, I sleep in Tarrant County Jail tonight. Well, I started out the night with good intentions, but I ended up getting sideways drinking wine. Now the next thing I remember, dances. I was raised around ballrooms, Friday night dances, singing those old country songs. Half the time winding up some place I don't belong. Well, I said, jailer, hey, what y'all got me charged with? He looked at me and he halfway closed one eye. He said, you mean to say you don't remember carving up some honky with that bone-handled knife? I'm a victim of life circumstances. I was raised around ballrooms, Friday night dancing, singing those old country songs. Half the time, ending in some place I don't belong. Well, I'm a victim of life circumstances. I was raised around ballrooms, Friday night dances, singing those old country songs. Half the time, winding up some place I don't belong. Yeah, half the time, winding up some place I don't belong.
Well, I think we're out of time. Are we, producer? Oh, keep do another one? Okay, we're not gonna say goodnight yet. Let's end this one and start another one.
Okay, we're gonna end this one. Hey! I thought sure we were.
Oh, man, we went over by 15 minutes. We're gonna do one or two more. Okay? Barney,
Okay.
do another one. the guest star.
Oh.
You don't want to do one, do you?
Let's do walk like that.
Hey, good looking. What's that one you do?
Albert, should we do walk like that? Yeah, you do the same way? Yeah,
Tell us what key so we know.
Walk right back.
Okay. What key? I haven't heard.
Start telling them.
Another Everly Brothers song. Now that we got Albert. It's in D. No, yeah.
Slow what? Okay.
Want you to know since you walked out on me, I'm so lonesome every day. Want you to know since you walked out on me, nothing seems to be the same old way. Think about the love that burns within my heart for you. The good times we had before you went away. Oh, me. Walk right back to me this minute. Bring love to me, don't send it. I'm so lonesome every day. Won't you tell me since you walked out on me, I'm so lonesome every day. Want you to know that since you walked out on me, nothing seems to be just the same old way. Think about the love that burns within my heart for you. The good times we had before you went away. Walk right back to me this minute. Bring your love, me don't send it. I'm so lonesome every day. I'm so lonesome every day. I'm so lonesome. Hey, what are you doing up there? Every. Say what? Day. Sorry, Albert.
Hey, we're here to have fun, and that's what we're having. So don't
Yeah.
worry about a thing. We've Okay, well, maybe I'm alone. I don't know, but I'm having fun anyway.
Just kidding.
Good. You got one?
No.
Yeah.
So sad?
Oh, no.
Oh, okay, okay. Hey, could I do one? Could I
What do
do
you got? What?
Could I do one more bro?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. That call, this is like E, half steps down to A,
Okay.
and then bam. Okay, until I say.
Like John Fingers.
The ending is the same. We're not filming, are we? Are we filming?
Yeah, we're on.
Oh, okay. It's half steps down from E.
All right.
Here, 3, 4.
folks, we went way over time. We had a great time. I want to thank Bob Smith, Toyota. I don't know why I can't say Toyota tonight. But anyway, thank you for letting us use your showroom. I want to thank my producers. I have two of them now, my daughter and my other friend. Not allowed to talk about him yet, but they're doing a great job. Paul,
Oh, Carmen,
I'll see you next Sunday.
I'll be here.
Don't be late. Lynn, you're on next Sunday.
Super.
Albert, you know where we are. Do what you want. Ronnie, I want to let's thank Ron Coleman for coming up and kind of fronting the band tonight, and Jimmy
Thank you.
Eaton on steel, my very good friend. And let's give even though we can't hear you out there, give a round of applause to Kerry Caruso. She drove all the way down just to sing one song, but she didn't want to miss the show, and we had a great time. Thank you. I know I can hear you. Anyway, we're gonna say goodnight. This is our last song. Do a quick one, half thing, anything. Take us out musically, and you can just shut it down whenever you're ready, Tom. You know who you are. Thanks.
Yeah.
Key of E.
So just cut us off. Hey.
Trade me final. All right.
I stopped in a roadhouse in Texas, a little place called Hamburger Land. Brought up in the jukebox and played a song about truck driving. The waitress that poured me some coffee, I thanked her and called her back again. I said that old song sure does fit me, 'cause I am a truck driving man. Well, they poured me another cup of coffee. Oh, it was the best in the land. And I put a nickel in the jukebox.
Last night we did 4 hours with no break.
Tack that on to next week.
Oh, that gig you were doing?
That's like a real
Tack
big
30 minutes of this onto that. Then next week we just play 30 minutes. That makes total sense.
Sorry, I gave you a fake cue there. I kind of glanced at you. No, Gary, I kind of glanced at you. I didn't do it on purpose.
That's okay, that's okay. We make our-
Well, I feel like we got wow. It was all right.
Remember, Gary Parks is playing in the band once in a while.
Yeah.
He likes to play steel.
Yeah, we're gonna give it Orlov coming up. You come through it. June 5th, Harry Orlov.
But if you don't have him on the tour
He said you were supposed to be on it, but you couldn't do it. His last gig in LA.
and all that stuff, hey, listen, man,
He said, Harry Orlov, you know him.
Really?
He's leaving town, you know.
How many people?
This is his last gig.
Yeah. What's
The
over?
Double Trouble Wine Bar.
For the first hour.
He said, yeah, Paul can't do it, so I
They
got.
call them hits on Facebook. YouTube is called views.
You must be double booked. It's a Saturday night, June 5th.
Yeah.
You're probably double booked.